আজ আমরা আলোচনা করব ইউজ অফ am is are. Am is used with first person singular pronoun. It is used with the pronoun I. am কেবল I এর সঙ্গেই ব্যবহার হয়। ফর এক্সাম্পল, যেমন I am a teacher, I am building a spaceship, I am speaking to him. Is used with third person singular nouns and pronouns. It is used with the pronouns like he, she, it. It is also used with proper nouns like names Abdul, Susila, etc. For example, যেমন he is smart, he is talented, Sital is singing, Ramu is playing. Are is used with the second person singular and the first, second and third person plural present tense form. It is also used with plural nouns like Indians, people and judges. For example, they are working, they are playing, people are celebrating, the animals are enjoying the rain.